Hey guys, welcome back to my 27th Python tutorial, and today I'm going to talk about tuple or dictionary parameters. So past couple tutorials we've been talking about types of parameters, which were tuple and dictionary, and today we're talking about how to use tuple and dictionary as an input. This can be useful when you want to gather or have data and you want to change or show them to your user. Uh, so let me make a example to clarify first. So def print tuple, because we're just gonna print this tuple, and let's say x y z, then colon, and we're just gonna print x y z, and that's our function. And instead of manually inputting the what's called the values of the tuple, uh, we're gonna instead make our own tuple and pass that to the parameter. So let's make a tuple called values, and tuples are this just parentheses, and let's say, I don't know, 1 2 3, and then uh, print tuple. And before you guys do this, remember we're dealing with tuples, and you're gonna need asterisk before it. So values, and then it should run, and 1 2 3, bam. That's our quick function on printing tuples. Or I mean, you could do whatever you want, but I just printed. So and the same thing applies to the dictionaries as well. So let's make another function, print dict, and we're gonna need two asterisks because we're just printing the dictionary itself. So let's just say, like, I don't know, x, and oh wait a minute, I didn't declare print dict, and then double asterisk close colon, my bad, and then print x, and that's our function. And let's make a dictionary, I don't know, let's say just grocery again, and start with the squiggly brackets, and let's have egg 12 and bacon equal to, like, I don't know, 3 4, and just like that close the dictionary, and that's our dictionary. Let's go print dict, and again we need two asterisks because we're dealing with dictionaries, and then we're gonna go grocery, and that should print our dictionary just like that. uh, Again, to go all over these, uh, we're just using the tuples and dictionaries as the values of input into a parameter. Each time you want to do it, you want to have two asterisks or one asterisk if you're just straight out using it the raw input, or we could just do like this, and you can do that to here, but you're gonna need to do what is it called, you gotta use the elements itself if you want to do it like this. So yeah, uh, anyways, that was my quick tutorial on how to use tuples and dictionaries as inputs. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.